What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are here at SeaWorld Orlando, and today is Passholder Preview Day beginning for Penguin Trek. Platinum gets it first for the next couple days, then the other passes will follow. We're here though to get some rides. Let's do it. Ticket windows are not busy. Park opened at 8 a.m. and it's currently 8:03, and there's no wait at the front. So yeah, we'll be right in. Yep, right on through like usual, no wait. It's a hot one, somewhere in the high 80s. And it's already morning time. It's going to get in the 90s, probably storms later. But we're here. I do want to say thank you to all of you guys watching. It's been an awesome last month covering this, as well as Busch Gardens, Phoenix Rising. It was nice getting a chance to actually ride it yesterday. And really appreciative for all of your support. And the pink chickens appreciate it too. Manta has a 15-minute wait. But that's not where we're heading. I need to wake up. I'm not usually up this early. And here's Penguin Trek. Mako's doing block check. It's that early. Still up on the lift hill. At least a lot of the rides are running. And here we go. We're going into Antarctica. Good morning.
Good morning. These weren't ready yesterday, but we're giving them out today.
Oh, that's awesome. There's the entrance. Let's do it. 5-minute wait. Good morning. Walking through the whole queue today. And we're in. Up the stairs we go.
Please sit upright with your back against the seat so they may check your harness. For those of you in line waiting to board a snowmobile, please.
Kind of weird. We've been waiting over an hour. It's because of the commercial shoot, but we're about to hop right on.
The coldest place on earth.
Chariot has arrived.
Work of that snowdrift. As you glide to a gentle stop,
row, baby.
Raise your lap bar above your front.
did our second ride, came back into the queue. They're still doing commercial filming, but now there is literally zero wait to walk on. Alrighty guys, so just had a chance to do our third ride on Penguin Trek and did row 7. I actually still really like the coaster. Great family ride. And the kids that I have seen ride it so far, they're screaming their heads off. They're having a blast. Mom and dad are looking over and they're smiling because it's kind of neat to see them ride one of their first roller coasters, and that's what this experience is all about. That's why they built this ride. And again, it's hitting the mark. Really excited though to go check out the gift shop. Let's go look. Glacial Supply, and we keep checking up on new merchandise, and they have some new stuff. So right here we can see Penguin Trek opening day shirt. Yes, nice new merchandise there. Everything over here is just about the same, but over here the hard hat pin going up for sale. And then over here, Penguin Trek Pass Member Pen. Nice, looks good. Well, I want to fly my drone in the park. Yeah, perks of being a commercial shoot.
Buckle up. It's time to explore the oldest place on Earth.
And more good news, the on-ride photo system is now working.
Of your reactions. No.
Oldest place on Earth.
you guys a little bit of a status update. I have ridden this thing over 40 times today. Over 40 times. Yes, that is correct. And we still got a couple more hours, so we'll see what we actually get. Alrighty guys, so that was ride number 49, and I'm about to get number 50 right now. I cannot believe this. It's been an awesome day. Yep, here we go. Another one. Well, mission accomplished, I guess. 50 rides on Penguin Trek for the first day of Passholder previews. I'd say pretty good. Not bad. Alright, so it is now time for ride 54. It's let's see, about 9:15 at night, so only 45 minutes left in the park. Here we go.
I just want to look right. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm tired. I can barely think straight. I've been here since 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's now 10 p.m. So, final tally, 60 rides. 60 rides on Penguin Trek in one day, and that's with all sorts of delays with commercial filming and stuff like that. If I really made an effort, could have easily gotten over 80. I'm pretty happy with what I got today. Overall, fantastic ride. I wouldn't just be riding this just for the heck of it. I truly enjoy it, and I do think it's, again, a perfect fit for this park. But yeah, I'm tired. I need a beer. Bye. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek Passholder previews. Had a chance to do 60 rides. Cannot believe it. Of course, had a ton of fun, and hopefully you guys have a chance to come out and try out the ride. So please do. And if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.